and today we are doing a hair and makeup tutorial.
Apply the mousse to the ends, and by mousse I mean
It's
camel's
water.
back. Ma'am, I'm speaking.
It's water though.
To use all-purpose cleaner.
Are you to what? Clean up the edges?
To clean up your life and your mess.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm 𝘲𝑚𝑥 and today we are doing a hair and makeup tutorial and I have none other than the Emperor Nunya right here with me.
Wagwan.
So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna wet our hair, or well, talk me through it, Emperor Nunya.
First, we're gonna moisturize her hair. Listen, she's an amateur. She doesn't know how to use these creative vocabularies as I've been taught.
Sure.
SATs, ACT, you already know. I did it all. Alright, as we go through and we apply the mousse to the ends, and by mousse I mean
It's
camel's
water.
back. Ma'am, I'm speaking.
It's water though.
Let's get back to it, right? So we're detangling the hair.
You're going too far ahead. It's just water.
That is detangling the hair. This detangling water can be found in the waters of Jamaica. Please come to support our economy. It's doing very bad.
Okay, guys, we're just trying to get out all the knots and tangles out of our hair. So this is like the longest part.
And in 2025, ladies, remember, we are turning all our knots into yeses.
Yes, all our knots into yeses, guys.
That's right. So as you can see, just like life, it is a road that is crossing and tangling, because we've been brushing our hair now for a good 10 minutes in this sped up process.
You know what it is like? As I was brushing it, if I flipped it over to the other side to brush it, it would start to tangle.
I see that you're trying to hype on me because I don't have hair to flip, but it's okay. Continue.
What do you think like people do? They just flip it and it's perfectly in place?
Am I the only one that wakes up like this?
Like that. I didn't mean to have it flip right at that moment. That was perfect timing.
The lines that you tell, the Grinch will be visiting.
Well, guys, I am putting everything up into a ponytail so that way it's easier to style and easier to move.
I have you know, this woman is a grown woman now. It's no longer a ponytail. We call that a mirror.
A mirror.
Yes.
But I'm trying to get the back smooth so that way the ponytail is nice. Like, have you ever seen those like super sleek ponytails where around the whole head it's smooth?
You mean like the one that's I'm seeing for me now?
No, but you see like the back is a little messed up.
I think she's perfect.
All right, guys, I am braiding it down. We're gonna add in like a hair piece later on, but for now we're just gonna get our makeup done so we could get our edges out the way.
That's right. She needs a watch.
No, it's
She knows what time it is.
Okay, what's this? What are we putting on first?
Tartar. I am able to read labels.
Tartar.
Tartar.
What is tartar?
Do you apply it to like fish cod and with black pepper?
No, we're not.
Bro, I've seen
apply
it.
that to the face.
Yeah, let me tell you something. Joe's Crab Shack is an underrated facility.
Well, guys, while my hair is drying, because that's what I said with the time, we're just doing our makeup.
It's like Joe's Crab Shack. It was never dry. It was always wet on that boardwalk. But yo, the crab sandwiches used to slap.
So I have my foundation on and I'm putting it everywhere so that way it could also act as a
I believe
primer.
Joe's Crab Shack was founded in 1832.
What is your obsession with Joe's Crab Shack?
Yo, that wasn't founded in 1832 either, but I definitely want 1832 sandwiches.
What does a Crab Shack have to do with a hair and makeup tutorial? Okay, what did I just get right now? What's this?
Multi-use purpose cleaner.
Are you to what? Clean up the edges?
To clean up your life and your mess. I need to get all your mess together and put it in a bag and take it out. Oh my God, it's beautiful.
So I'm just putting concealer on the lids, guys.
Shouts out to the homeboys. They got gold in the container, bro. They tricking us in the club, outside the club. How you getting more light skin? How is this possible?
It's only the foundation. You add depth with like contour and bronzer. Okay, what's this? What's this?
What you need for your demonic transformation. Do you see what's happening, bro? There's multiples. They're all playing characters. This looks like somebody who actually goes in the sun. Bro, all right. She can't make up her mind. She had gold first, and now she went silver.
Where did you even see the gold?
I said what I said, and I saw what I saw.
No gold
I might be colorblind. That's why I never became a pilot, but I know my makeup.
Okay, if you know your makeup, what's this called?
24/7 pencils. You can apply it to underneath the eyes, underneath the eyelids. It highlights it.
Guys, we're lining the upper waterline and the lower waterline to help our eyes pop.
And what about the middle waterline? You see what I'm talking about?
Where would the middle line?
Representation is important for all people in a society.
But where would the middle line be?
The one that when you wake up, there's crust in there sometimes.
That's the inner corner.
Bro, exactly. You never even mentioned him. You didn't even mention him. You didn't even mention him. It's like the inner city youth that we all care about. Black power.
Okay, you can see how it makes my eyes pop a little bit more.
Word, I can also see that your forehead is so much smaller than mine. I'd love to do a ponytail, but no.
Well, some of us. Okay, what's this?
Mascara.
Close.
That's applied to. Oh, wingtips. Wingtips. And they serve it at your local restaurants.
Oh
now, you see, that's a trick. You have to go to your butcher, ask them for the wingtips. They usually cut and they discard it. But you can make a good stock with the bones and stews. Damn, demonic possession on screen. For example, 𝘠𝑗𝑠 Mix does not eat wingtips.
But you just said that's a wingtip.
That is a wingtip, but you don't eat wingtips. You don't eat wingtips. You don't eat the tips or the wings. She told me I'm weird. Am I a scavenger? Post down in the comments. Do you eat wingtips? Do you eat the wing?
No, as I'm struggling with the eyeliner, you're just like wingtips, wingtips, wingtips.
That's why I can't do makeup. I would have been went to go eat some wingtips instead. This seems like a lot of work.
So I'm just touching up one part because I tried to do something. It wasn't working out. So I'm just touching up that inner corner.
Now with her demonic pentagram, she's finally able to complete it. Because she looks like she's about to say 𝑔𝐴𝑠𝑟𝑎𝑡
Is it 𝐴𝑠𝑟𝑎𝑡
Listen, man, I was not loved and cared for, so sometimes the cable bill was not paid.
Oh my god, that reminds me of Avatar: The Last Airbender when they had that.
Man, what does that have to do with a hair and makeup tutorial? Stay on topic. Let's go back to this is what Aang had when he was hiding his arrow. This is the exact hairstyle. Zuko, we want you.
Okay, what's this?
Powdered.
It's glitter. It's eye glitter.
Yeah, that's what I told the police. Opposite. It's glitter.
So we're just adding it to the top to like make it pop, as well as to fill in the blank space without.
You see what she's trying to domesticate online amongst the populace? Powder, popping, all these things, glitter.
It's glitter.
I know what the kids call it. I know the slang. I know the slang.
It's just glitter, guys. It's just glitter.
Shout out to all my LGBTQs. We know what glitter really is. I don't know why I said that, bro. I don't know if that's actually a thing.
Anyways, we added a little bit of powder on top so that way it all blends in well. Because the glitter kind of separates the eyeshadow.
Look, she's doing a little dance. She just did that glitter.
Okay, so I'm bringing back this item. Do you remember what it is?
Obviously, just let me see the item. 24/7 wingtip pencil.
You added them both.
Yeah, that way it would be wrong.
Right now we're gonna smudge out the under eye so that way it gives us a little bit of that smoky, sultry look.
And this is how the Mona Lisa was painted.
Is it really?
No, I just made that up. I wasn't there. I wasn't there.
Guys, we're adding a bit of more of a concealer to the under eye. That way it's just nice. You
cannot conceal them wingtips. They are blushing and blooming. Ken.
Guys, we've done the hardest part of this makeup. It's going to get easier from now on. I promise.
And somehow we still have 12 more minutes. You see, they all lie. They all lie. When they tell us they're going to get ready in 5 minutes, it's all lies. It's all lies.
We're like about halfway through. See, it looks nice, right? Don't the eyes pop a bit?
Of course. And now I would have already left the room. I would have stopped at one eye. That really would have popped.
Because you would have left to go get your wingtips.
I would have left to go get my wingtips and go about my day.
Okay, what's this?
A lightsaber. A pocket lightsaber.
So it's a brow pencil.
Bro, you just don't know Star Wars.
No, it's a brow pencil. So you see, I have alopecia on one of my eyebrows. I'm trying to bring it back. I need the brow pencil in order to kind of match it in.
And they took the alpacas to go make these things. I heard alopecia. I know the 𝓵𝑝𝑎𝑙𝑎𝑛ian trail. I know llamas are there. They spit.
Okay, what's this? What's this?
A breaststroke. A breaststroke. It's a thing. It's an eye highlighter. Hair highlighter.
It's an eyebrow gel.
Eyebrow
I
gel.
just put that on top to kind of help with that little patch.
I was testing you.
Sure, you got it right. You got it right.
As you all can hear, my stutter only comes
Okay,
in.
what do you think we're going to do next?
We are going to play with glue.
That's glue? No, you know this one. You know this one.
Of course I do.
What is it?
The glue stick that we used in class when we was kids. We put the paper mache and the tape.
This is highlight.
Sometimes you taste it though, because you're interested in the smell.
Absolutely not. Please do not eat glue, guys. Please do not. But
it says edible on the bottle.
What was that?
I didn't see it.
Hold on. It's coming back out. Right there.
Powder.
It's baking powder.
Yeah, I would have said that too. Why you using baking powder? Bro, yo, they out here cooking themselves. At this point, they're cooking themselves. Anything for beauty.
Okay, what's this? What's this?
Liquid gel. Lip highlighter. Lip liner.
Okay. Yes, finally you got one right.
Well, I've been right this whole time.
Yeah, you have?
Yeah, of course. I should have left. Ooh.
Okay. We're gonna do like a little.
Why do they make these bottles so strange to look at? It looks like y'all are cooking potions and doing hexagram things. Like, this is not even the same person that was here before.
So I'm mixing a lip liner with like the Fenty lipstick, and now I'm adding a gloss to it to get that nice little blend and shine.
If you apply these materials to yourself by like just comparison, well, that made me ASAP Rocky.
No.
But I'm just a jiggy, and extra. Sorry, go ahead.
So you see how it's blending once you put the gloss? It's like a nice brown.
Sultry. I don't even know what that word means, but I know it applies here. That's right. Giggle at my jokes, little girl. Not you. I'm speaking.
Okay, we are almost done, guys. We are just wiping off the powder off of our face.
And underneath your noses.
Off of our under eyes.
She did the glitter.
Oh my gosh. Okay, now we're just gonna add our blush and everything.
She got it straight from Colombia. You can see the palm trees on the box. Here we are. Now that's coming in color.
So you see, I'm going with, to keep it kind of cool tone, I'm going with a more of a purple blush. Do you see the difference that a purple blush does?
Yes, it looks like this is on a natural color in society, but we're gonna reach somewhere. I know we're gonna do this.
I personally like to put the blush on my forehead as well. I feel like it makes it blend in more. I'm adding a little pink also.
I can see, and this is after applying the baking powder. You've been cooked, but somehow you're getting hotter.
You know what this gives me? This gives me like you've ever been to any of those ice bars where like the bar is the ice, your seats are ice, everything's ice.
Bro, which New York City did you live in?
It's not.
No, what? No, why is on my side only bodega cats and smelly people on the train?
First off, bodega cats run those bodegas.
I appreciate my bodega cats, but you would go to ice bars.
I've never been to an ice bar.
Why would you ask me that then? Like I would
I'm
ever
just
have.
Asking if you
listen
have
to your voice and listen to my voice. Who sounds more traveled and educated?
What is this one?
A last resort. These are all the races. When we come together, these are the colors you get to pick at the very beginning. Yeah, so the first level is level 1, 0. Pick color. It determines the difficulty in your life. Ooh, she knows. Pretty privilege. Oh.
It's very perfect.
All right, now we're stepping on to the next thing. This is concealer.
Concealer. It's setting spray.
It seals it like avocado oil on your hair. It seals.
Okay, so we're gonna do the last part, guys. We are just going to get this hair from a hair bundle that I have.
And then roll into bed because you guys are going nowhere anyway. You guys are doing makeup at home and going nowhere.
So what?
Don't worry. Dang.
And then I'm taking out my.
What did you kill for that? Sorry, who did you for that?
Nobody. It's just it's synthetic hair.
Oh my god, you're an Android, bro. That's so cool. Can I have one?
Oh no. No.
Yeah, I need like another 2 inches on my legs. On my legs.
See,
on my
so
legs.
I'm using my actual hair to wrap around. I'm not gonna do it too pretty because this is, you're right, I'm gonna.
And you see, and when we get toupees, they upset. Oh, you're not about to apply mayonnaise to your hair now. Oh my gosh, she seasoned.
It's not mayonnaise.
She really cooked it. She baking soda it and then she mayonnaise it. I know what mayonnaise look like, bro.
Baking powder.
Bro, I'm from New York. BLT. Lettuce, tomato, mayo, ketchup. Ketchup, mayo.
Okay, I'm just gonna braid this down so that way it's a little bit easier to work with.
You see, now this person looks like she parties. The one that began in the beginning, she looked like she stays at home and she cool. She be playing video games.
Video games are fun.
I don't think I can play video games with this girl.
I took some out so that way it's not too much, and I'm just gonna braid it all together so it's in seamlessly, guys.
Yo, ask this girl her number. Let's be real. I've been sitting here for like a whole 60-something minutes and she's not said a single word to me. Who are you?
It hasn't even been like 20 minutes.
Ma'am, I'm talking to the woman on the screen. What is up? Who? She's acknowledging me. Hello. How are you? I gotta go. I gotta go.
I'm just gonna.
Oh shit! No, she should be over. Run it back.
Okay, so this is the full look, guys. The nice cool toned look, and then a nice long ponytail. But you know what? Before we even finish, we just got one last thing to do. I don't even think I actually put mascara. If you have mascara, put mascara on. It's definitely going to.
What more
help.
work do people need?
So see, this is.
Oh my god. She looks awful. I would never talk to her.
Oh my gosh.
Slide her my number.
But you see, it has all the shine, all in time.
How much for a date?
Oh my gosh.
I'll take it.
All right, guys, that's it. And thank you so much for watching this tutorial here with Emperor Nunya.
I'll take it.
Bye.
Bye. I'll take it.